Hey, it's TR back with a how not to RV how to. Does that make sense? My neighbor had pulled his truck camper off his pickup because he was moving some stuff around and he needed his truck. And when he went to put it back on, one of the jacks, a bolt broke and the jack collapsed and it ended up on the ground. He had to call a big rotator tow truck to get this thing slung up and get it back on his pickup. And so here's a video on that. Again, I want to emphasize, I'm not sharing this to make fun of it because it's really serious and it's a really expensive mistake. So I really felt bad for the guy, but there was really no other way to get this truck camper picked up and back on his pickup. And so he ended up having to call the tow truck, the rotator tow truck. So I'm sure it was expensive. Plus, he's going to have to repair the jack because his jack's got all bent when it collapsed on one corner. Really unfortunate accident. I'm glad that there was very minimal damage inside, there was very minimal damage outside, a little bit of broken wood here and there, but nothing that couldn't be easily repaired. So we got really lucky with respect to how it fell, but the fact that it fell was a real big drag. So I feel sorry for him, but you know, it is, but life happens. And all right, thanks for watching, I sure do appreciate it. Till we get together for another video, peace.